welcome back to my channel. I just have a little unboxing today. I hope to post a card video or scrapbook page video tomorrow, but for today I just got my order from Close to My Heart, and I need to say this, they are doing really great with getting their orders out now that they're back to full staff and full operations. So if you're gonna place an order, and they ship almost, I believe they ship everything FedEx ground, and maybe that helps get it out really fast. But I placed this order on July 8th, and I got it today, which is the 10th, Saturday the 10th. So it went out either the 8th or the 9th, and boom, here it is. Usually it's a 2-day trip from Utah. That's where it comes from. But, so I can't believe it. Anyway, awesome service. Thank you, Close to My Heart, for being on top of it with your shipping. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is my July order. I like to place an order every month. This is my July. And I got these Ziploc bags so that I can organize paper. They are a 12 by 12. No, actually they're 13 by 13 because I know a 12 by 12 fits really well in here. It's W151 is the order number. And they are awesome bags for organizing your paper, or if you do scrapbooking kits for a class, these are perfect. I think they were like $2.50 for a pack of, I think there's 10 in here, or 12. I think there's more than that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bags. So I got those. And then I also got this cute stamp set and the thin cuts. Whenever there are thin cuts, I buy them. Even if they sell the stamps separately, I always get the thin cuts and the stamps together. You save money. I think this set was about $30 because there's so many little things in here. And these cute little donut, ice cream, latte, cupcake, and this cute little label, which I'm gonna have a lot of fun with. There's little faces on here, isn't that cute? And there's this little face, and this little wink face right here. I just thought these were so cute. Desserts a la Whirl, Z3957, so cute. And it has the thin cuts included. Yes, you can buy them separately if you don't want the thin cuts and you just want to fussy cut everything. But when I do a class, I like to have the thin cuts. So that is why I get the sets. Super cute. I can't wait to pair this with, I have this paper. I just wanted to show you. I have this paper. I have some left. Cute happy birthday paper. And this one is the party time paper pack. And so many cute patterns on here, which would go so cute with that cupcake. Anyway, that's my plan for that. For my next card class, I'm gonna have a couple birthday cards. I got these little petite perks for my customers, and I'll do a drawing for a free stamp. How's it going? So cute. W2055. I don't think you can buy these unless you are a consultant, but I get those for my friends for coming to my card classes. Oh, this is a stamp of the month. Okay, so my total was over $100. Now, if you're not a VIP, if you spend $50, you can get a stamp of the month for $5. Okay, so I spent over $100, so these were each $5. I'm not sure. I guess I'd have to be a VIP. I'm not sure why they don't extend that to consultants. It's kind of weird to me, but If you are a consultant, I don't know if there's another deal where you get it for free, but if you're a VIP customer, you spend $50, you get a stamp set for free. This one's Strong Roots, Stamp of the Month for July, and I love it. My husband's a realtor, so you have these super cute homes where the heart is. Congratulations on your new home. And then you can do like the door with the keys, and they're gonna love this. So I'm gonna do this for his thank you cards for his customers. And since I spent over $100, I got this one. This is the August stamp set, and I'm gonna use it in my stamp class so I can show my customers how cute this is with some samples, and then they'll be like, oh, I need to place a $50 in August because I love the stamp sets. They want to see it, you know, with cards made with it. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm so excited about this. They brought back this paper packet, line of paper. It's called White Pines. It's a Christmas set. So I'm going to do a Christmas in July card or two. I love it. No, it's not too early for Christmas. Just kidding. The reason why I got the bundle, it has the paper packet and the sticker sheet, and it came with 4 stamp sets. This was about $72, I think, was my cost. Should be about the same for customers. I think it may be a tiny bit more because maybe you don't get a discount. I'm not sure, but it's CC72116. And this is the White Pines for scrapbooking. It's got some cute stamps there. And then this one for card making. Happy holidays, from our house to yours. Christmas tree, Merry Christmas. Really, really cute set. Lots of stamps. This one is called The Miracle of Christmas, and I love the little animals. We've got Believe in the Miracle of Christmas, Holiday Greetings, cute little fox, and it looks like a bear and deer. And it says, may you be blessed with all of the happiness your holiday can hold. That's that one. So some really, Merry Christmas, little circles, some really cute stamps, lots of stamps. And then this one, Merry Mary. So we got some cute wreath ones for like a double stamping action here. You can do this one, and then you can do the pine cones on top. This is Merry Christmas, and then this one's Merry Christmas, Peace and Love. Again, really cute for either adding to your scrapbook page or making a card. And then I'm just gonna pull this out real quick. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'll be back to show you guys a card or a scrapbook page tomorrow. This is the paper packet with the sticker sheet. So you get all this design paper plus the sticker sheet. You can do cards. There's card instructions online. That's the sticker sheet. There's card instructions or scrapbook instructions online. That is so pretty. And there's the back of that one. So you get 2 each of those. And then here's this one. The other side looks like that. Nope, sorry, just kidding. Looks like, I have little cuts on my thumbs. That could hurt. Okay, there you go. That one and that one. Cute. And then these two. That one and Christmas tree. So pretty. So pretty. So this is called White Pines. Now you can just buy the sticker packet, the sticker sheet, and the patterned paper. Here's the coordinating cardstock. You can buy all of this stuff individually, the stamp sets as well, but if you buy the bundle, you're saving a lot of money. So this comes with all this cardstock to make all your cards or scrapbook pages. Now, I forget the names of the colors. I think this is toffee. So you get 2 sheets of toffee. I think this is avocado. You get 2 sheets of that, 2 sheets of the daisy white, 2 sheets of this blue. Not sure on the blue there. 2 sheets of this red, and 2 sheets of this like chocolate brown. Perfect for making cards. So that was my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and go out there and check out July items. Now we are selling July and August. When you place an order, you'll get a little mini catalog. This is the July and August catalog. So have fun stamping. Bye guys.